Music. Welcome to my Easyfolio Robo Advisor review. Find links below. Easyfolio is a German robo-advisor simplifying investing with diversified, low-cost portfolios tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. Perfect for hands-off investors who prefer simplicity without needing market expertise, Easyfolio is great for beginners, busy professionals, or anyone automating their wealth journey. Easyfolio offers 3 pre-designed portfolios: Easyfolio 30, 50, and 70. The number represents the percentage of equities. Easyfolio 30, the most conservative, has 30% equities and the rest in bonds. Easyfolio 70 targets higher returns with 70% equities. This structure aligns your strategy with your risk tolerance. All portfolios use globally diversified ETFs, ensuring broad market exposure. Easyfolio boasts low costs with no upfront fees and a transparent annual fee, making it affordable compared to traditional advisors. Automatic rebalancing maintains your portfolio's allocation, keeping it on track without manual adjustments. Easyfolio integrates with German banks, letting you invest through existing platforms. It's regulated by BaFin, ensuring security and compliance. While lacking advanced tools for active traders, Easyfolio prioritizes simplicity and steady, long-term growth. For German investors seeking effortless wealth growth, Easyfolio is a reliable, user-friendly robo-advisor. Its pre-designed portfolios, low fees, and automatic rebalancing offer a cost-effective, straightforward investment solution. Learn more in the description below.